Well, good morning. Guess where we are? Got out to the ramp this morning to visit Cooper before it got hotter than a cast iron skillet on a wood stove. Looking for the elusive master switch. Well, here we are behind the passenger seat. Isn't that interesting for your viewing pleasure? I see nothing but the ELT. I see nothing back here that indicates a master switch. So if I am still looking in the wrong place, please leave a comment and let me know. Over back here behind the pilot's seat, I've got ye old battery tray. And again, looking around here, nothing. And nothing. See, there's the cabin air, cabin heat, carb heat that I was showing you is on the right side. Got all of our switches there, but I do not see a master switch. Or is it labeled something else for some reason and I just do not know? Another thing I'm not seeing is jacks for a headset, but hey, that's cool because I'm sure that's not a big deal to do something with. So, I would climb under there and see, you know, maybe I will. Give me just a minute here, folks. Gonna climb in here and see. Okay, this cable right here goes to the mystery knob, and you can see where it goes through the firewall right there. The mystery knob. This is the cable. So, with that said, any additional thoughts on what the mystery knob, maybe. I know, go out and it sure is tight, whatever it is. See if it opens a vent or something, but I'm here by myself, so can't really do that right now. So anyway, there you go. Looking all around for a master switch. Don't see one. So if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. And that's about it for this time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to follow us along on Cooper's journey. And from abandoned to flying again. A journey we hope to get fully underway very, very soon. And click the bell icon so that you can get a notification when we put up new content. Like I said earlier, content's only going to improve once we get Cooper off this ramp and get him home where we can start really doing some work. All right. Till next time, thanks a lot for watching. Sure appreciate it. God bless you all. Safe flying. Talk to you later. Bye.